Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to customize pages and sections in the B12 editor. We'll walk through how to view and edit pages, add new ones, adjust sections, and personalize layouts to match your brand. When B12 builds your website, it automatically creates pages and sections for you. Each page is made up of sections. Sections are the building blocks where you can add text, images, or even link to other pages. To view your existing pages and sections, click Website, then select Pages. Here you'll see your homepage, About Page, Contact Page, and any others you've added. You'll also see the template pages, which are created automatically when you add certain types of content. In the left sidebar, you can rearrange your pages, hide or unhide them, or add new ones. You can navigate through your site using the navigation links in the top of your website. When you add a new page, it's automatically added to your site's navigation menu. You can also build a single-page website by simply adding sections. Just set your navigation bar to link directly to those sections. Keep in mind that on single-page websites, not all navigation links go to separate pages. Some are links to sections on the same page. To customize what appears in your navigation bar, simply click on your logo or brand name in the navigation. This will open the settings panel in the left sidebar. From here, you can add a new navigation link. For example, let's say you want to show your team in this area, but you don't want to dedicate a separate page for it. In this case, the team section is part of the About page. Click on the navigation bar to open its settings, then click Add Navigation Link. Type in the name you'd like to display for the link. Next, select a link type. Since we want to link to a section, choose Section. Under Links to, pick the location where you want the link to point. Your edits will update in real time on the right-hand side. New links are added to the end of the navigation bar, but you can rearrange them anytime. Just open the navigation settings and drag items into your preferred order. Click onto your newly added navigation link to check if it's linked to the correct page or section. Want to add new pages? Here's how. In the left sidebar, click Add Page. Select the type of page you'd like to add. For this example, we'll use the Services page. Once it's created, you can customize it however you like. If you want to add new sections to a page, click Add Section beside the section title. Choose the type of section you want. For example, a gallery section. B12 has a lot of section layouts to choose from. Feel free to select the one that fits your brand. You can also edit the layout of a section. Switch to the page where you want a section to be edited. Click on the section to open its settings on the left sidebar, then scroll down to Appearance Settings. Click Change to view available layouts. You can preview as many layouts as you like until you find one that matches your style. When you're ready, click Continue to apply it. From there, keep customizing your section. Tweak alignment, backgrounds, collection items, decorations, and other settings. When you're happy with your edits, click Publish in the top right corner. Your live site will be updated with your new pages and sections. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.